This is another way of parting hair for the bricklayer method. You start by first dividing the hair into two by parting from ear to ear. Then you divide the front section into two equal parts. To get a straight center, start from in between her eyebrows. Here you are going to part the first line at the back of her head. Because my client has a smaller head, I divided the back into three parts. The next part would be from ear to ear. Like I said the other time, always start parting from the middle. Once you get the middle part correct, the rest are going to fall into place. The size of the part is dependent on the size of the braid you want. Also, how many braids you want on the head. So you keep on parting in that U shape till you are done with the back section. Now remember, we divided the front section into two. Start the part by drawing straight lines to the back. Ordinarily, because the first line has two parts, the second line I'm working on should have three parts. But as you can see, the first part here is too small. It's literally her edges, and braiding it can tear her hair. So instead, I divide this line into two as well. What this shows is that in as much as you're trying to do symmetrical lines and get the parts to be on top of each other like bricklayering, you also have to consider your client's hair. In the case where the hair is too small, you can add some attachment. In the case where it is too light, you can make it a bigger part. I usually have 10 lines of parts in front. When we started, I divided the front into two, remember? So each of the two would have 5 lines each.